Tayong dalawa lang?
Ooh! Okay.
Wait, so, kakain tayo? Na, tayong dalawa lang? Ay.
Oo, parang first date.
Date? Wait, date? Wait, date to?
Ate, order ako ng dalawang special siopaw, dalawang special mami. Samahan mo na rin ng dalawang ice cold Coca-Cola. Ayan.
Ninap? Ninap?
Erin, hindi na to parang data. Sabihin na ang ating date na tayo.
Okay.
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 Cheers.
Cheers. Sarap?
At hindi tayo nagpakil doon. Ito ba na? Tayo nagpakil doon.
Alright, and there you have it, guys! Totoo na nga ang kilig moments natin. Ayun. At dahil sabi ko nga real moments, guys, na totoo na nito, let's give a round of applause to Maris Rakan and Anthony Jenny! I think we can go louder than that. Let's give them a round of applause, guys! Kasi grabe naman yung pampakilig ninyo. Grabe, guys.
Magaling na rin.
Ay, salamat. Salamat. You know what?
Ibang version siya.
I tried my best.
It was good.
Thank you so much. Well, you know what? Welcome, Maris and Anthony, to our Food Marks launch today. Ayun. So, iba talaga, guys, na nandito kayo kasi sobrang kilig ng mga fans.
Thank you guys. Thank you for having us. Thank you.
At syempre, iba din talaga ang kilig moments natin kapag first date, no?
Yes, oo
Hindi mo
naman.
makakalimutan yun eh.
Hindi talaga.
Oo, yes. Sa Can't Buy Me Love. So tell us, sa tingin ninyo, what makes the moments like the first date super special?
Oh. Well, in general.
Yes, or personally, I guess.
Okay. Well, sa akin, special siya yung mga first dates kasi matagal mo siyang inaasam-asam. Diba?
That's true.
Diba, first stage is the attraction, gusto mo siyang makausap, but maraming tao, but like, pag mag-date na kayo.
Ano yung feeling? Ikaw muna tapos ikaw. Ano yung feeling sa first date?
Sa first date, wala na, kundi kilig lang.
Kilig, ayun. Do you guys feel kilig? Yes! Ay, wow. Okay, how about yourself?
Ako siguro sa first date, kasi parang doon palang magkakapaan ko lang kayo.
Yeah.
Kikilalanin niyo palang isa't isa eh. Diba? So, alam mo yun, 100% pa yung kilig doon. And ang sarap sa pakiramdam na yun yung ngayon. Magiging core memory mo siya eh.
Yes.
So, true. Hindi mo makakalimutan yung first
Tama.
date. So,
Of course, with an ice cold.
Yes!
Siyempre, oo.
I think halos at lahat ng first dates may ice
Yes,
cold.
Hindi siya mawawala.
Hindi mawawala yun. Hindi mawawala.
So yun. So iba talaga ang effect to getting to know someone over meals and of course with Coca-Cola. Whether first date man yan, barkada or celebrations, kagaya nung screening nyo kanina. So speaking of your scene in Can't Buy Me Love, we have some guests here who'd like to ask some questions.
Sure.
Ayun. Alright, so let's go look at who these people are. Okay, so our special question will go out from Miss Denny Bernardo from philstar.com. Hello po, Miss Denny.
Hi.
Hello po. Ayun, she is right over here. Alright.
Hello, good morning, Snoring. Congratulations.
Good morning.
I'm a big fan.
Thank you.
Thank you. How was your overall experience shooting here in Binondo, and what are your most favorite hangouts, especially for dining?
For favorite scene.
Favorite scene. Ang dami, no?
Ang dami, pero
Sobrang hirap pumili. Pero siguro...
halos lahat ng scenes natin nasa Binondo.
Pero sa mga special, siyempre yung Coke na.
Yeah, yung Coke.
Grabe.
First date scene namin.
Of course, kailangan yan kasi ang init ng mga
Tapos ang... Oo. Special sa akin.
Yeah, first date namin dito. And yung favorite place namin to dine kapag nasa set?
Don't worry.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Fried dumplings.
Fried dumplings.
Yes. Hindi kami nakakalabas kasi sa set. So, nag-order in kami. Dinadala sa set. Yun, food trip lang kami araw-araw. Di ba, Vibery?
Ako pala yan. Saan ka tumubo?
Curious lang, gaano katotoo sa real life na tumadora ba si Irene at saka natakaw si Sue?
Wait, dati hindi. But life happened. Hindi, sakto lang. Ano lang, anything in moderation.
Moderation.
In moderation.
Siyempre.
Yeah, fun, yeah.
Ano yun sa akin? Pumatakaw ba ako? Di naman. Hindi naman. Sakto lang. Gutom lang siguro.
Thank you so much, Miss Denny Bernardo. So yung second question natin, guys, will come from Miss Adi Piras from Another Magazine.
Sorry, hi. From Wonder.ph.
Oh, Wonder Magazine. I apologize.
Hi, we just wanted to know can you tell us about or share the experience when you guys shot the first date scene but this time with a love?
Yeah. Oh, kami, as Irene and Stu, since our story is like parang lagi kami nag-aaway and then nagkaroon ng attraction sa amin, na-excite din kami sa first date scene namin. And mas lalo kaming na-excite na it's with Coca-Cola. So, ayun, when we got to the set, daming pagkain.
Sabi namin, tapusin na natin ito, para kainin na natin ito.
Yeah. But yeah, actually, yung experience namin doon, it was first scene in the morning. Tapos gutom na gutom kami. And then, syempre, kailangan namin gawin new scenes and all. Pero nakatingin lang talaga ako. So, ang init kasi sa nakatingin lang sa Coke. Inom na ako.
Oh no.
Yun yung answer.
Kasi mainit din sa set that time.
Super. Yun yung time na peak yung
peak.
init sa Pilipinas.
And it really quenches your thirst when you have a nice Coke.
Yeah, especially pag nakaupo lang siya dyan. Yung lamig.
Tapos namamawis
Oh, yeah.
Ayun, so we have 3 more questions, guys. But you guys, we are so lucky kasi this is the inside scoop of what really goes on behind set. But before we get into the third question, let's give it a round of applause, guys. Come on! Ayun, perfect. Yes, so our next question will come from Mr. Angelo Sanchez from Manila Bulletin.
Hi!
Hello.
Good morning. My question is, with the Coca-Cola food marks here in Binondo, what are the specific dish you want to try?
What we want to try, we've tried almost everything.
Oo, halos lahat. Kasi natagal namin dito.
Yes. Pero yung tumatak sa akin yung fried dumplings and fried siopaw.
Ako din. Siopaw, tsaka yung hopia. Of course, yung hopia din.
Yes. Hopia.
Alright, thank you very much for that question. I also like that, yung siopaw tsaka yung fried
Fried
dumplings.
dumplings.
Yun talaga yung pinupuntahan ko.
Yeah, pagdating ka dito, nagpa-order na ako.
Ay, wow! So there's backstage, hingin na lang. Alright, so next question, guys, will come from April Salazar from Manila Bulletin.
Hi. Aside from siopaw and siomai, what are your favorite food to pair with Coke?
Ako, ikaw, sa'yo.
Ako, inihaw, street food. Yes.
Liempo. Ako liempo.
Wow.
Chicken wings. Ayun.
And steak.
Steak? Oh, okay. Yaman ha. Yung si Irene. Steak siya ako.
Alright, thank you very much. And we have one last question for you guys for this from our very special guest. And it's coming from Nico Garcia from Philstar.
Hi, hello.
Hi.
So Marisa and Anthony, if you're gonna plan a food trip with your friends or maybe even your fans, where would it be and why?
Lalayo pa ba tayo? Siyempre dito na sa Binondo. And I have friends from Davao na pumunta dito. Dinadala ko sila sa Binondo. Or minsan galing na sila sa Binondo, pumunta sa bahay ko. Ang dami kasing places dito na pwedeng kainan. Actually, Binondo talaga puntahan ng mga tao para mag-food trip.
Dito rin ako una nag-food crawl sa Binondo. So, yun. Pero ako, dahil sabi niyo yung Binondo, ako sa bahay ng mama ko. Masarap pagluto mama ko, libre pa. So, yun. Diba?
That's true.
And
Anything for
maraming,
free.
dito, maraming food marts. Yeah.
Yes, oo.
So, easy to spot na yung mga restaurants with ice cream.
It's honestly so good that we have this, we can access this. Kasi
Yes.
ang dami sa atin ang gusto talaga mag-try ng mga bagong food. But sometimes we're not aware na nandiyan pala siya.
Yeah, and it's easy to spot kasi may
Kita mo na
magandang
yung marks
logo.
na siya.
So, punta ka na.
It makes it easier.
Yeah.
Alright guys, so I have one last question for you guys. And that is coming from me. Andito ako right here. So okay, so ito naman. So if you could give any advice to everyone here on creating... Parang nervous.
Advice kasi.
Hindi ko ba kayo sa isa't isa or nervous?
Advice from me?
Oh yeah, so advice on creating real moments over real meals. What advice would you like to give?
Sa akin, syempre, be present. Yeah, no distractions, have genuine connections, usap, kwentuhan kayo, and order kayo ng ice cold Coca-Cola.
Ano lang, ano sa akin, live the moment. Maging-totoo ka lang sa sarili mo. At para sa mga lalaki, pag kinabahan kayo, lagok lang kayo ng ice cold coffee.
That's true.
Para may confidence.
Para hindi halata.
Para makain ka muna. Para malabas na.
Yes, ayun. So thank you guys for asking from our media friends. And thank you for answering my question.
Yes.
Kasi alam ko naman later on na we will all create the moments with Coke. Ayun. So now guys, we are going to move on to a fun part. Ito na yung exciting part. Ready na ba kayo sa exciting part? Yes! Ready ba kayo?
Yes!
Ready na? Alright.